What's going on YouTube? Steve the Salon Guy here, and finally the wait is over. I'm doing the Steve Harrington haircut from Stranger Things, the most recent season. I've gotten so many requests for it. I'm going to do it on a mannequin. I'm going to actually execute the haircut, and then we'll come back and break it down. So stick around for the whole video. I've got some interesting hair tips on how to achieve this hairstyle. All right, guys, here is the finished result, and I think this looks pretty close to his hair. So definitely, I want you to guys watch through this whole thing because there's a few little tips that I've learned that he was actually interviewed in a blog post. He mentioned how he kept his hair like this throughout the show. So let's break down the haircut. First, we started with the base in through here. So as you can see, the length is somewhere right around here. I'd say like the bottom of the neck area, kind of in between where the shoulders and the neck meet in through here. What I did is I established my length, and then I went in and went to the front here, brought everything down to about right here, and then I started to angle down. But what I did is I over-directed all the hair from the back working towards the front. And what that does is it leaves it shorter and then longer into the back here. That's how we were able to create that kind of shorter into longer look. So once I did that, I then started establishing my layers where I went vertically. I held everything out straight out from the head, and I cut it pretty much straight up this way. And then right through here is where we went a little bit longer, because obviously we're going shorter to longer. So then once I established all of this, I then started creating my layered shape right in through the corners. Right, so I went in through the corners, right in through here, held everything straight out this way at pretty much 90-degree angle, which means straight out from the head, and also down and through here, right? So I really wanted to focus on this front shape right in through here before I went into the back, because this is really the highlight of his hair. It's all this right in through here, all right? You know, he's known for this kind of voluminous look into the front here, and he's known to kind of have that volume, so I wanted to create that first. So then I worked in through the back, in through here, blending the layers, pulling everything straight out from the head, angling the hair to where it's a bit slightly longer down to the bottom. And here is the big secret behind getting this type of hairstyle. So you saw that when I styled this, when it was wet, I put in shadow. So his hair looked like it was not freshly clean. It looked kind of a bit more, you know, grungy and a bit more lived in. So I used my shadow product, which is kind of a cream based pomade type product, and I wanted it to look like it was lived in already right from the start. So I put that in when it was wet. That helped me blow dry it and kind of really mold the product into the hair to create this sort of, you know, second or third day hair look. And then I blow dried it using my fingers. Once again, as you saw, I didn't use any brush whatsoever. I used my fingers to get the volume in through the sides here, lifting at the root area. And then I went back in with a little bit of Clutch XL, which is, you know, a wax-based clay. Actually, it's water-based, but it's like a wax-type clay. And I just kind of ran it through it again just to add a little more texture for his hair. So here is the finished result. So the secret to getting his hairstyle, from what I've read, and also is kind of common sense, is you don't want to wash it for at least 2 to 3 days, okay? I know it may sound kind of gross, or your hair may get a little bit dirty, but that's how you're going to get that type of look. You want it to look very lived in. You want it to look a bit grungy. And, you know, if you need to, use some dry shampoo on day, you know, 3 or even 4. But from what I read, how he got his hair to look like this, a lot of it was just not washing it every day, just kind of letting it ride out for a couple of days. And also a lot of wax as well and styling products like this. So, you know, that's where shadow comes in. That's where maybe Clutch XL will come in. But just letting that product just kind of, and that hairstyle just ride out for a few days to make it look very lived in. And also the hair is a bit more moldable too as well. Yes, it gets a little bit dirtier and greasier, but that's kind of the whole look, right? And also what type of hair is good for this? Honestly, I mean, you know, he's known for his hair, thick, straight hair. If you've got curly hair, if you've got wavy hair, it's not going to look straight like this. You're going to have to blow dry it. That's going to require some effort. I'm probably going to get a lot of questions. You know, what if I have curly hair? It's probably not going to be the right style for you, to be honest with you. What if you have fine hair? You know, you need a lot of hair for this. I mean, look at him. He's known for his hair. He's got loads and loads of hair. So obviously you're going to need a lot of hair and good, thick, healthy hair. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I've gotten so many requests for it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.